Welcome to V Estrella Unit 105, located in the charmed Alta Vista neighborhood of Puerto Vallarta. Let's take a tour.
This rare one-bedroom, two-bathroom condo at V Estrella offers more than 1,200 square feet of living space, designed with comfort and privacy in mind. A spacious terrace and abundant natural light make this residence ideal for relaxation or entertaining. The primary bedroom features its own full bathroom and generous closet. From here, you step directly onto a private patio terrace surrounded by greenery, creating a serene retreat with the city. The fully equipped kitchen includes modern appliances, a breakfast bar, and built-in dishwasher, perfect for both cooking and entertaining. The living area is filled with natural light, offering an inviting space for everyday living and gatherings. A large terrace and balcony extend your living space outdoor, ideal for enjoying Puerto Vallarta's vibrant lifestyle. The unit also includes a dedicated laundry room and second full bathroom, providing convenience for guests or visitors. With underground parking, a private storage bodega, and access to premium amenities that elevate everyday living. The rooftop features an infinity pool with breathtaking views of the bay, complemented by jacuzzi for ultimate relaxation. A fully equipped gym offers motor machine and ocean views. For gatherings, the barbecue area and outdoor dining space provide a social atmosphere with panoramic vistas. While bathing areas and lounge space creating the perfect settings to unwind. Is only 10 minutes from the iconic Playa de los Muertos, the heart of Puerto Vallarta, where you will find vibrant beach clubs and the famous pier with impressive views and excellent atmosphere. Just a few steps away is Olas Altas Street, one of the most popular areas in the city. Here you can find traditional restaurants, art galleries, banks, and pharmacies. Everything you need in the same neighborhood. While in the area, don't forget to visit the market at Parque Lázaro Cárdenas, a colorful space where you can discover local craft, unique products, and authentic Vallarta creations. Is only 30 minutes from the Puerto Vallarta International Airport. All of this is supported by security parking, professional on-site management, and 24-hour security.
If you like this property, contact us and subscribe for more Puerto Vallarta real estate tours, investment opportunities, and new property listing across Puerto Vallarta and Riviera Nayarit. Thank you for watching.